As you can see right here, yesterday I was able to generate $1,025. Now the great thing about this is this money came in totally passively while I was sleeping. And in a second, I'm gonna hop in front of the whiteboard and break down the exact step-by-step formula I used. So by the end of the video, whether you are brand new online, whether you don't have much time in the day, or you just don't wanna put a lot of effort in, you're gonna be able to go out there and start to create some results. Before that, if you wanna learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video. All right, my friend, now I'm in front of the whiteboard, and what I'm gonna do is break down exactly how this formula works. Now, I've already written it out, but I'm gonna go step by step in this 3-step formula that I personally used to quietly generate over $1,000 while I was sleeping, okay? Now, you may be seeing this and thinking this looks kind of complicated, but bear with me because as we go through this together and I hold your hand through this process, by the end of the video, you're gonna be able to smile, walk out with confidence, feeling very good as you realize how powerful and easy this is to apply, okay? So what I basically did is I leveraged a business model called high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, if you've seen my videos before, or maybe you've heard of affiliate marketing, basically it's a very simple and easy way that anyone can start online, start from home, and start to produce some absolutely incredible results. Because the thing about it is, if you want to make money online, I'm not talking about a few dollars here and there doing surveys or trying to sell something on eBay. I'm talking about up to $1,000 or more a day so you can quit a job, travel, do what you want to do with the people you love doing it with. Affiliate marketing, specifically high-ticket affiliate marketing, is going to be the easiest and fastest way for you. The reason being is where other paths online, you have to spend a lot of money in paid advertising. You have to do a lot of the product creation yourself. You have to do a lot of trial and error to see what gets people to buy. The beauty of high-ticket affiliate marketing is that the products are already created for you. You just find a product that's converting and selling well online. You find people that are interested in that product, which I'll share as you keep watching. And when you match those two together and they buy through your customized affiliate link, you can earn potentially in some affiliate marketing businesses up to 100% of that money paid instantly into your bank account. I'm not sure if you can just imagine posting a link online, getting someone to go to it using the strategies I'm about to reveal to you, and seeing your email notification that you've made $1,000 while you were out with your friends and family. If you can picture that and feel that excitement, that's exactly what I'm going to reveal to you. Now, I say high ticket affiliate marketing, which is different than regular affiliate marketing. The reason I like high ticket affiliate marketing is you're not going to make a few bucks, $25, a $50 commission here and there. You're going to be able to make up to $500 to $2,000 with one commission, one referral. So with high ticket affiliate marketing, you need a lot less people and you can make a lot more money, okay? So when it comes to doing high ticket affiliate marketing like I've done in the past, I had to create my own sales funnels. These are basically consisting of a page like this. Okay, if you can see that, that's basically has a headline and a box where the visitor, the prospect, the person that you're getting to go to your website would put their email in. Now, the reason they're putting their email in is because when it comes to creating automation online, we have to be building an email list. Every top online marketer, every Groupon, which is a massive billion-dollar company, even Walmart is collecting people's email addresses because they know that the fortune is in the follow-up and you want to build an email list. But in the past, I've had to personally go out there and try to come up with my own capture pages, create the headlines, stuff like that. And if you're not good at sales or you haven't spent 5 long years or so doing marketing and researching psychology, it can be very confusing and overwhelming. And it's very hard to do. And then you'd have to either create your own sales page or try to find a high converting sales page, which is kind of difficult to know what's working. And then you'd have to write out and craft your own emails to follow up with the people that put their email in on your capture page. to try to get them to buy. You'd have to learn all this incredible psychology to get people to pull out their credit card and make a purchase. And it takes a lot of work and a lot of time. But what I finally discovered recently, and it's been changing the game for people that I've been coaching and helping, is there's actually a done-for-you system now online that has all this done for you. So they give you the capture pages that are already pre-written to get people to put their email in. They give you the sales pages that are converting incredibly well. So when you send people to that sales page, a huge portion of those people are going to decide to buy instantly. So when you promote this system, you're going to have a good chance to get a massive amount of money flooding into your bank account very easily and quickly, because a lot of people are going to decide to buy instantly. And then they give you all the emails. Okay, this was an absolute game changer, this system. And as you keep watching, I'm going to share how you can literally test drive this system for free. So you definitely want to keep watching. But basically, this system was a game changer because it gives you the emails that are already pre-written that will follow up with your leads, the people that put their email in for you. And then what these emails will do is it's going to keep sending them back to the sales page until they decide to buy, until they go to that sales page, pull out their credit card, and get started, okay? And then once they do, once you get them to go to this sales page, because you're an affiliate with this system, when they buy on that sales page, it's going to be coded to you, and it was coded to me, which is how I made the $1,000, over $1,000, which you saw in the beginning of the video. What I did was I got people to go to this capture page. They got followed up through emails. They went to the sales page, and while I was sleeping, while I was, in la la land, if you will, people were going to this page, making a buying decision, and I woke up the next day not even knowing who that person was. And if you're watching this and you joined me, I want to welcome you and congratulate you, and be sure you continue setting up your system. But that's the power of having this done-for-you system set up, and that's all I did. And as you can see right here, this sales page walks people through upselling into different programs, different trainings, different resources that they need anyway to succeed online. But because it's all done for you, they will invest, $500 in some cases, $1,000, and even up to $2,000. And the beautiful thing about this system is when someone buys through your affiliate link, you don't get a little wussy payout commission like ClickBank or some of these other places. You actually earn 100% of the money. So if you make a $2,000 commission, which again, the system does all for you, you could potentially make up to $2,000 instantly paid into your bank account. What would an extra $2,000 a day, even a week, do for you and your family? Okay, so step one that I did was I set up the system. Now we get paid how we come in. So however high up you position yourself inside the system, when you go through the system, which there's going to be a link directly below this video, and you can literally set up the system for free. And as you set up and test drive that system, depending on how you upgrade and depending on what level you actually decide to come in at and join at, you're going to be able to earn. So if you only come in at the $500 level, you're going to be able to earn $500 and below. So that's why it's good to come in as high as you can. The $2,000 level is one of the highest and most popular levels because people realize that if they go into the $2,000 level, they get all these other levels unlocked and they get the ability to earn as much as possible. So again, there's going to be a link below to set up your system. Now, once your system is set up, what did I do next? And what do I recommend you do if you want to just swipe and deploy exactly what I'm doing? Again, I'm not some magical person. I don't shoot laser beam from my eyes and walk on water, right? I'm a 28-year-old college dropout that was an ex-waiter just a few short years ago. And all I did was I saw something on YouTube one day from a guy that taught something just like this. I was willing to learn. I had nothing to lose. My back was against the wall. And for whatever reason, I trusted this person. I went to the link underneath their video and he had a presentation. He had a system. I decided to go all in at the level that I could. I remember I borrowed some of the money from my family. I sold some items on Craigslist. I got started. In a very short period of time, about 30 days after that, I was able to quit my freaking job, go full-time from home, and do the things I love to do with the people I love doing it with. So this isn't too good to be true, and I'm sharing exactly what I did. Now, step two is once we have the system set up, you want to just send visitors to the front of this system. okay? And that's all we're gonna do. Once your system is set up, you're not gonna have to worry about doing a ton of things. All you do in 30 to 60 minutes a day is post ads, which are advertisements online on sites like Facebook, Craigslist, Instagram, etc. And those ads, when people respond to those ads, and they'll ask you for more information, they'll ask you, for more info on what you're doing. And if you're following me on Facebook or Instagram, you'll see that I do this all the time. I just post simple ads, people reply for more information, and then I just send those visitors to the capture page that they give you inside the Done For You system. And then the system does everything else for me. The emails start going out, they start getting sent to the sales page, and then many people decide to go in at the highest level. Like the person below, or the person the other day went in at the $1,000 level, so I was able to earn a $1,000 commission, okay, a $1,000 deposit. Now you may be wondering, well, Garrett, what if I don't know how to post ads? I'm not a salesperson, I don't know how to do that. Well, that's exactly what the training, okay, when you position yourself inside the system, what you're actually accessing at the different levels is more and more advanced training. So you get access to incredibly simple step-by-step video training that literally walks you through how to post on Facebook, how to post on Craigslist, how to get people reaching out to you for more information on Instagram. And all you do is you send them your affiliate link, which is going to be your capture page. The capture page will take over and it will do everything else for you. This is not too good to be true. You don't need a lot of experience. You don't need a lot of time. We have people from all over the world, different backgrounds, different ages, different ethnicities doing this because it's simple and easy for anyone to do. And then the last step, which is my favorite, and it's going to be your favorite as you plug into the link below and do this too, is you get money. Okay, and you get money when people position themselves inside. You'll get notified, and this will get paid. Now, you may be asking me, Garrett, how do we get paid? Again, you get paid instantly, and you can get paid either through Stripe, which is like a PayPal. You can get paid through PayPal. You can get paid through MoneyGram. Okay, so you can really set up your favorite method to get paid, and people will pay you directly. Okay, there's no third-party company you have to go through. So this is exactly the 3-step formula I've been quietly using to smash the leaderboards. I'm at the #1 in the last 30 days, in the last 3 months, and even the last 6 months on some of the levels inside of this business. And this is all I've been doing, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did learn and got value from this, be sure to hit the like button below to let me know to make more. Also, be sure to comment below if you have any questions. I'm here for you. And I want to make this simple. I know what it's like to struggle. I know what it's like to not know where your next payment or paycheck's going to come from. I know what it's like to see people on Facebook and Instagram living this lifestyle, getting these results, and you're scratching your head going, why are they different than me? I can relate to that because I struggled for a very long time online, and that's why I'm so motivated to help other people shortcut their results and achieve what they want. And last but not least, if you're watching this and you want to learn how to test drive this for free and set up your system, go to the link below and then follow the simple videos to get started. Position yourself as high as you can so you can earn 100% commissions on up to $2,000 and then post ads using the training. It's absolutely incredible and it's absolutely simple. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you at the link below. Take care.